Brajavilas Stava by Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, verse 87. This is Shivratri 2009. Muda Gopendras Yatmaja Bhuja Pariswanga Nidaye Spurad Gopivrinder Yamiha Bhagavantam Pranayibi Bhajad Bister Bhaktiswam Abhilashitam Praptam Achirad Yamiti Re Gopishwaram Anudinam Tamkila Bhaje. Raghunath Das Goswami prays, every day I worship Gopishwar Sadashiv, who was devotedly worshipped on the bank of the Yamuna by the loving gopis who desired to attain the jewel-like embrace of the arms of Sri Krishna, the Prince of Braj, and who thus swiftly attained their desired object. So, of course, once upon a time, Sri Sadashiva took shelter of the Yamuna in the transcendental abode of Brajadam in order to worship Sri Krishna and his pleasure potency, Sri Radha and the Braja Sundaris. When the gopis saw Mahadev on the bank of the Yamuna, they floated in an ocean of bliss, for they knew that by the grace of Mahadev, the company of Sri Krishna would certainly be attained. By worshipping Bhagavan Sadashiva with topmost devotion, the gopis have very soon attained their desired object, the association of Sri Krishna. Every day, the Braja Gopis, Braja Sundaris, would worship Lord Sri Sadashiva, praying for the embrace of Krishna's jewel-like arms. Bhakti Ratnakar explains, Kiya Purva Shobha E Baner Bitor Gunatita Linga Rupa Nama Gopishwara E Sadashiva Vrindapina Palaya Ihake Pujile Sarva Karya Siddhahoy Gopigana Sada Krishna Sangara Lagya Nirantara Puje Yatne Nana Dravya Diya Kohite Ki Pari Jay Mahima Gurutar Gopika Pujita Teno Nama Gopishwar Indradi Devata Stuti Koroye Sadai Vrindavani Priti Bridi Ihara Kripai. How wonderfully beautiful it is within this forest. Here the transcendental Linga deity named Gopishwar is situated. This Sadashiva Gopishwar is protecting Vrindavan. Anyone who worships Gopishwar will attain all perfection. The gopis always desired to associate with Krishna, and for this, and to attain this, they always worship Gopishwar with different paraphernalia. Who can describe the great glories of Gopishwar, who is so named because the gopis worshipped him? The love of Vrindavan is increasing by he who is praised by all the demigods, headed by Indra.